We'll guide you through how to fix not being able to delete apps on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying, so what you should be able to do is decide the app you want to delete and click and hold your finger on it. Then you can click on remove app at the top of the list. I've just got the option remove from home screen. Here you should have the option for delete. So go and press cancel. And then what you need to do to fix this is go and open up the settings app. Scroll down and you want to go and find screen time. Then you want to go and scroll down until you can see content and privacy restrictions and click there. At the top, click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Where it says deleting apps, click there and go and set it to allow. Enter in your screen time passcode. If you don't know it, get someone who does to enter it. Now, it may take a moment or two. Come back to the app you want to delete, click on hold your finger on it, click on remove app, and we now have the option for delete. And you can confirm your decision and delete it.